What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $3 for every video you watch. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, guys, I need you to do me a favor. Can you please follow me on Instagram? I'm trying to get my followers up. I'm at 290 right now. I'm trying to get up to 500 followers. And if I get to 500 followers by the end of this month, which is November, I'm probably going to go ahead and give away some free money to somebody. So I'm going to give away free money as soon as I get to 500 followers. All you have to do is DM me and say the grind is real, or put that in one of my posts on Instagram. So it's at AppGrind. And one more thing, don't forget to type the code word that's going to pop up in this video somewhere. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. That's going to help you get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers on this channel by the end of this month of November. So you need to watch the video all the way to the very end to look for that code word. All right, guys, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on YouTube, and I went ahead and typed in Among Us live stream. So what you're going to be doing is watch these videos, because it's a very, very popular game right now. It's one of the most popular games that's out right now. So all you're going to do is just watch these videos, and you're going to get paid for watching these videos. So as you can see here, 66,000 is watching right now. 1,000 is watching, 1,900 is watching there. So you have a different amount of people watching these games, but it's a lot of people watching this type of game. So you're going to make some money doing this. And let me go ahead and take you to the site that's going to pay you to watch these videos. Let me go over there right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the next site. And the name of this site is R7 URL short. And so you're going to be making money with short URLs. And all you have to do is put the link of the video right here, and it's going to shorten it for you. And every time somebody click on that link and watch that video, because what you're going to do is use Among Us videos, you're going to copy the link, YouTube link, and come over here, and you're going to click right here and shorten it. You're going to have to sign up. Very simple to sign up. It's free to sign up. And what you're going to do is you're going to share that link once you shorten it, And every time somebody click on that link, you're going to make some money. So you don't have to actually watch these videos. People that love this game is going to be watching this video. Now, I want to show you right now how much you can make from people watching this video with using this link. So let me go there now. All right, guys. I went ahead and went to publisher rates. So as you can see down here, this shows the rate of the amount of money you're going to get when somebody's watching the videos that you guys are going to share. And when you get 1,000 views, you're going to get $3. So if you're in Canada, you're going to get $3 for 1,000 views. United Kingdom, $3. United States, $3. And Australia, $3. And all the other countries in the world. So this method is available worldwide, $2. So just $1 lower. So you get 1,000 views, you're going to get paid this money. Now I want to show you some payment proof if you don't think this is legit. So let me go ahead and go to payment proof. All right, so as you can see right here, October 4th is the date. This person right here, they covering up their username. They went ahead and got paid $5.37 through PayPal. This one got $5. This one got 11, 5. So people are cashing out at different amounts. So once you get at least $5, you can cash out. And as you can see, you need to have PayPal, web money, Bitcoin, or those the platforms you need to use. All right, now you're probably wondering where you're going to share this link to get a lot of views. I have two places you can go. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the first place right about now. Okay, I'm at the first website that you can use to share your link. And the name of it is Steam Community. So you're going to go to steamcommunity.com. Of course, sign up. So you're going to come here, click on discussions, and you'll be able to go ahead and start a discussion. And you can talk about Among Us here because this is a very popular game. So you just come in here, you can click on one of these threads right here and just start talking and start getting to know people about games and about Among Us. And I'm going to show you a script that you can use that will attract people to clicking on your link. And I'm going to show you that in a minute, but I just want to show you the site you can go to where you can share your video link. Now right here, click on videos, so a whole bunch of videos right here. So you can also upload your video of Among Us in this area right here. Now, so this Steam Community is a good gaming website you guys can use to get a lot of clicks. Now let me go to the second one that's going to get you even more people clicking on your link. So let me go over there right now. All right, I'm at the next site and it's called moot.us. So this is a big time platform for gaming. So when you come here, as you can see, look at there, they have Among Us on top because it's one of the top games in the world right now. So you just come here, sign up, of course. And once you sign up and log in, you just go through here and look for Among Us threads and go ahead and share your link. So now let me show you what you need to say that's going to attract people and have them to click your link. So let me show you what you're going to say. Okay, guys. So here's a little script I'm going to let you have for free. Go ahead and write this down or type this down. So what you're going to say when you go to both of those sites or both of those gaming communities, you're just going to say, hey, you guys, check out this Among Us gameplay video. It's incredible. Watch the thread, watch the live streaming here, and you put your link right there. And you're going to get a lot of clicks, guys. People are going to click on there and go watch the video. It's going to be well over 1,000 people, and you're going to start getting paid from that ULR shortener site. So basically, guys, that's the method. You just follow these steps, and before you know it, you're going to be making some good money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please don't forget to type that code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Road to 5,000. Let's go. Let's get it. We only have a couple more weeks left in this month of November, so let's get there. Let's get to 5,000. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. One more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace and be prosperous.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.